How to withdraw pound sterling on Kraken. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can withdraw GBP or pound sterling on Kraken. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over to kraken.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to click on the withdraw cash option from the left hand side menu. Then select your currency. Click on this drop down menu and from here select pound sterling. Once you do that, the next step is select a method of sending the cash. The fastest way to withdraw funds is by using FPS. FPS transfers are near instant. CHAPS is also a good option, but it's only necessary for amounts over 1 million as CHAPS is slow and has higher fees than FPS. Now click on the continue option. Over here, you will have to enter a new bank account. For that, go ahead and enter the description, name on account, bank name, account number, then enter the sort code and bank address. Once you have entered all these information, you want to click on the Add Bank Account option. Now, for security reasons, you will receive an email with a link for verification. Click on Confirm Address option. After the address is confirmed, you can enter the withdrawal amount or click the percentage of your balance you would like to withdraw. Then check all the details and click on the confirm option, and this is how you can withdraw pound sterling on Kraken. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.